Okay, so we did these two questions. So we must move to this one. Is that okay? So don't worry, we are going to repeat these things, these concepts.
No.
Hello? Yes, you can say if you are saying something. Am I audible?
Can't we just do them again, sir?
Which ones?
The same ones, the A and the B.
Oh. What is the view of
Yes.
everyone? What is everyone saying?
Yes, so we can do them.
I was thinking we do something else since there's a video that we can always get back to. I don't know.
And remember what I said earlier on? We'll still do some questions that will talk about these similar things. Okay? Are you getting what I'm saying? It does not mean that this is the last question we are dealing with. No, there are a lot of questions under which we are going to deal with under cubic functions. There are lots. We'll actually even look at how to graph these things. Then find the equations again, and so it's better like this one. How to deal with such? We'll still deal with them. Is that okay? So what I want us to do is to have an overview of everything. So if it does really repeat, at least you have an idea on almost everything that is needed. Is that okay? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, so don't worry. Let's move
Yes, sir.
let's move. Take note of the year. I think I did indicate the year. So take note of the question that we are dealing with. We want to find the gradient. What is gradient? A gradient is simply the slopiness of the line, how slope the line is. For example, if a line is slant, it means the line will have gradient. It can slant to the right or it can slant to the left. It will have gradient. But if a line is just like that, here it will not, the gradient will be 0. But if a line is vertical, then the gradient will be unknown. So we want to check if at all we can find the gradients of such line. So now I'm going to use a method that may not be common with you people. I hope it will to make sense. So we are saying we want to find the gradient of the curve at the point x is equal to 2. You must take note of the point given. So the point given is x is equal to 2. Are we okay with this point? Have we seen the point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll go to the x-axis, identify where 2 is. So you check on the x-axis, we will realize that this is where our 2 is. But now we are interested in the graph. So I must move from this 2 all the way up to where the graph is. So I'll make the graph. Is that okay? Because 2 is here, but I must follow where the graph is. Once I meet the graph, I put a mark there. Is that okay? Now, at this point, you need to use your ruler. If you are doing it in your exam, you use your ruler and draw a line a straight line passing through this point at only one point. Okay, so I'll just try to use your free hand. Assuming that it's correct. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
You make sure that the line should close the y-axis. In case it's not clear, I'll demonstrate again. So we are saying the first thing is you identify this point on the graph, which is x. Then at this point, draw a line passing through this. Draw a line passing through that. It's supposed to be here. I may draw a line. The line should not be inside or far away from the curve, but should be at the point of contact, at the point of intersection. So here you're supposed to use your ruler nicely. Once it meets the curve, you stop there. Are we okay now? We are supposed to draw the line?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now let's observe. After drawing your line, you can pick any point on the line. Just pick any that you're comfortable with. I'll say I'll pick this point. Let me use a different color. I'm using this, the tail. I'm calling it tail, or the pink one here. It doesn't change. This. Have you seen this mark? Let me use the blue one. Have you seen the mark that I have put? You know?
Yes,
Okay, the blue one, isn't it? You can pick any, you can put any, even here. Doesn't matter. Or even here, any point. So once you pick that, you must just create a triangle. You must create a triangle from here, using your ruler, just create a triangle up to here. Then up to this point of intersection. Have we seen what has happened? No?
yes,
Is it clear?
No, sir, I have a question.
Please ask.
So this point can only be picked on that straight line you've drawn,
On any straight line.
not
On any point on a straight line.
okay. All right.
Yeah, for example, we can decide, say, okay, we don't want this point, but maybe I want this point. You see here? Have you seen this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so it means from here, I'll just extend this to the y-axis. Then from here, I come down, not until I meet the this curve. All I'm trying to do is create a triangle. Is that okay?
Yes.
So our gradient will be given by, gradient is denoted by m. So gradient is equal to y divided by x. That's what it means. You know that the horizontal axis is this one, it is the x-axis, then the vertical is the y, isn't it? Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
So what you need to do is to just check the how far this point is. This is x, isn't it? You can even check it from here. So we have got x up to this point it is 2. Or if you want, you can look at this point. Have you seen this point? Here, that is it's a distance from here up to there, isn't it? Are you able to see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Who can tell me the reading? What's the reading?
It's 3.2.
It's 3 point what?
2.
Ah, okay, let's check. 3.2. So it means x is 3.2. So here where there's x, I'll write 3.2. Is that okay? Then y, it's from here, okay, I think I extended up to this point. So y is from here up to this point. In case, let me erase this, but it's very visible. So it's starting from 60 here. This is, so that is 10. That will be 20. Up to 30 here, that will be what now? Then 30, isn't it here? Right?
Oh, yes, sir.
Are you able to see that from 50 to 10 to 60, there is 10 here, not so?
Yes.
And then 40 to 50, there is what?
It's another 10.
Then 30 to 40, another 10, isn't it?
Yes.
Now, we had said we needed to draw a line from 60, not until we meet this line that we had put up to here. Have you seen that? Hello?
So maybe it's the colors that you're using. I'm not seeing where the line is going. The line
No,
is coming from 60.
we are creating a
Yeah.
triangle. So we drew a line. Have you seen the white color?
Yes, I can see that one.
So we drew a triangle from here up to there. We drew this line and we found it
Okay.
to be 3.2, isn't it?
Yes.
Then we had said from this y-axis, come down, not until you meet the line that we drew, all the way up to down here.
Oh, okay.
Have
I
you seen that?
wasn't seeing the colors. Okay.
Okay, maybe there are a
Okay.
lot of colors. It's fine. So now I was saying, as we start moving from 60, when I come to 50, there will be 10, isn't it? We are starting from here now, 60. We want to find this distance, the white color now, here, down.
Yes.
So now, from 60, when you check from 60 here, because there is 10, 10, 10, so it means there is 30 already, not so? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Or if you want, start counting from 30 itself. From 30 itself, from this point 30. From this point 30. Okay? So from 30 to 60, what do we have? How many, what's the difference there? From 30 to 40, sorry.
Okay.
From 30 to 40, what is the difference?
10.
Yeah,
10. Then from 10 to 50, what's the difference? Another 10, isn't it? You know?
Yes.
I'm using a green card. Then from 50 to 60, another 10, isn't it?
Another 10.
So how far is 30 from 60? What's the distance?
Thirty.
So y is 30, isn't it? So it means here you divide by 30. Your answer. 30 divided by 0.2. Is that okay? Hello?
$30.2.
Is the method difficult?
It's a bit involving me. I can't even remember the first thing we did.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a bit involving. I can't.
Yes, talk to me.
Now, since we made a triangle for x and for y and x, following the formula which I've given us in blue.
Hmm.
Now, for x, I tried to follow, but now for y, we have gone the same direction.
Okay, let me select another
This
point. This point that I'm putting, have you seen this point?
Yes.
So I can come this side, find the y. Have you seen that? Here I'll put the y-axis, not so. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Then when I meet the y-axis, come down up to this point. Have you seen the triangle that you have created? This triangle.
Yes.
So what you need to do is to find the distance from this point up to that point, which is x, and we find this distance. Y. That's what we are saying. Is that okay?
Does
So
it
that's
mean
the
that
first
when
thing that we did.
Hello?
people is asking what is the first thing that we did? This one for 3.2.
But 3.2.
The 3.2, we have to get it's the same thing. This is what I'm trying to explain. We have to get the distance from x. Because our point was somewhere here. Observe the point. Our point, I think I got this point. Let me just see this. So the numbers can differ, but at the end of the day, the answer will be the same. So I think I got this point. That was what the point I picked. So from there, I went to the y-axis, isn't it? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So that tangent that you drew there, you just drew it.
Yes, because it is coming from
Okay.
it's coming from 2 here. That's why I was asking, are you okay with this? Have you seen the 2?
Okay.
You've seen what we have been given? X is equal to what? 2, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That is why we went to 2 first. This is 2 here on the x-axis, 2. In the 2?
Yes, sir. I see it.
Okay. Let me
I
just
think I
repeat
get it.
so that everyone is also able to pick it. So from this 2, we have to go up to look for the curve. We have to go up, look for the curve up to this. This is where we are meeting the curve, isn't it? From 2. Is that okay? Then I said, now at this point, you're supposed to draw the line, which we call the tangent. Passing through that, using a ruler, of course, it will just be at one point. So you make sure that this line should beat the x-axis somewhere, to cross the x-axis like this one. Is that okay? Hello? Do we understand where the
Yes,
line
sir.
is coming from?
Yes, sir.
So, if for example they said find the gradient at the point where x is equal to maybe x is equal to let me check the point. Maybe where x is equal to -4. Suppose x is -4. Where were we supposed to go? Hello?
But
Come
we
again,
find
sir.
the
You're
graph.
breaking.
Oh, it's breaking.
Yes.
Sorry. So I was saying, suppose we were given x is equal to -4. Have you seen this equation?
Yes.
So my question was, where were we going to draw our line? Which number were we going to use?
-4.
-4, which is here, isn't it?
Yes.
But now we must go to the curve. So are we supposed to go upwards to meet the curve, or we're supposed to go downwards to meet the curve?
Downwards.
Yes, so we are supposed to go downwards. That is the only way we'll find the curve. So from here, I'll come down, 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 down. You'll meet the curve at this point, isn't it? Have you seen that? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So now, the line should not go inside the curve. So it means your line cannot go right. It's going to go to the left, isn't it? So by line, it means now will be drawn in this manner, like that, with a ruler. Of course, I'm using a free hand. That is why it is heavy. Supposed to be drawn passing through this point on the not going inside, of course. So you have got a line like that. It should be drawn with a ruler. So one can extend this line. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's agree on drawing the line. Are we okay on drawing the line? I don't mind if our lesson is just on this one, drawing the line. But that is what is important. Are we okay on drawing the line before we even look at even calculating itself? Are we okay?
I'm okay now.
Okay, let me rush before we proceed. I show you another diagram. They'll always give you a point. Here, look at B. Are you able to see this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the value of x? Here, we have been given 3, negative 1.8. What is the value of x? This is x and this is y, isn't it? The first one is always x. The second one is y. So it means our x here is 3. X is equal to 3. Is that okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's why sometimes I don't like Zoom because it tends to trip, especially if the network is weak. So
No, sir, it's just okay.
it is okay? Okay, so now our x,
Yes.
our x is 3. So I'll go to 3. Then I should meet the curve. I can't go upward. The only way is to come downwards. I'll find this point here. Have you seen that? That okay?
Yes, sir.
So at this point, we draw a line. Are we okay on how to draw the line now?
Yes.
Draw a line. Even if maybe it does not meet the y-axis, just draw the line. Are we able to draw the line?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, so in the exam, when drawing the line, you just draw on the same question paper?
On the question paper, yes. Because the essence of the line is to help you find the answer.
Okay.
Not that you are proving something, no. So no one will ask for the line. Actually, if we are going to learn calculus, there's a method we are going to use even without